Black Friday is an important moment for Amazon sellers to skyrocket their sales and visibility. Let's dive into essential strategies to employ before, during, and after Black Fridays to maximize your success. First of all, dive into analyzing past Black Friday trends. Accurately forecast demand to ensure your stocks levels are ready for the sales surge. Regardless of Black Friday, consistently optimize your product listing. Use high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and relevant keywords to make your products stand out. Let's now discuss promotions. Plan attractive deals and explore bundling-related items to create irresistible packages that enhance appeal and drive sales. However, ensure a balance to avoid compromising profit margins. For those registered brands, remember to utilize and manage your customer engagement tool. Create email campaigns to promote new products and special deals, and keep your customers informed of your latest updates. When it comes to advertising campaigns, start launching targeted campaigns to build anticipation. Consider using sponsored products or sponsored brands ads to increase product visibility. If you're an M19 user, you can activate the promo Days Boost feature a week in advance or once the deals start. This option is only available for the strategies on ACOS target management. Otherwise, you might even consider a do-nothing strategy, which can sometimes lead to lower ACOS and increased sales. Lastly, if you're a seller, don't overlook your fulfillment process. Evaluate and consider using Amazon FBA to ensure timely deliveries during this high demand period. Now, during Black Friday, make sure your budgets are in cap. Keep in mind that bids might rise, but impressions can triple for most keywords. Keep an eye on your competitors' pricing strategies and adjust your price or promotions accordingly to stay competitive. Also, ensure prompt and effective customer service to handle inquiries, address concerns, and provide assistance during the busy shopping period. And remember, continuously monitor and adapt your ads as necessary. Consider adjusting prices upward if possible, or pause advertising if sales exceed projections and inventory is at risk. After the event, it's time to evaluate. Analyze your sales, data, and customer feedback. Identify what strategies work and where improvement can be made. Don't forget to follow up with customers. Engage with those who made purchases during Black Friday with follow-up emails. You can offer additional promotions or cross-sales opportunities. Next, replenish your inventory based on the demand you experienced during Black Friday. This ensures you're ready to meet customer needs during the upcoming holiday season. Finally, use the insights gained from Black Friday to prepare for future sales events like Cyber Monday. Develop effective marketing and inventory strategies to capitalize on those opportunities. By following these steps, you can effectively prepare for leverage and capitalize the potential of Black Friday. So get ready, stay proactive, and seize the opportunity in the sales season. To learn more about Black Friday sales insight, check out the article on m19.com.